Hey there, welcome to my channel, it's me the Mind Injector. In this video we'll discuss how to make money online for free. More and more people want to break out of their boring, exhausting or unideal jobs and become their own boss from the comfort of their own homes. And they want to do it without spending the precious resources they have now. Today I'll show you 7 ways to make money online without paying anything. These methods will help you earn extra cash by working on your own terms and at your own pace. First, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves doing various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to emails, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. Virtual assistants make around $19.36 per hour on average. Second, if you are good at using Google to find specific information, then there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online for free by doing research online. Many companies in different industries hire web researchers to find the most relevant and dependable sources of info for them. Here are some companies that regularly look for online researchers: Wonder, Upwork, and Indeed. Third, you can transcribe audio and video files. Many companies rely on transcriptionists to turn audio from videos and speech files into accurate text. You can lock in a part-time role with a company like Rev or work freelance with multiple firms on specific projects. Most companies let you choose which assignments you work on and set your own schedule. Fourth, you can set up a Patreon. Patreon is a membership platform that helps artists and creators get paid. If you regularly create videos, podcasts, or music and have a following, you can join Patreon to let your most passionate fans support your work via a monthly membership. Fifth, you can review websites and apps for cash. Some companies offer people payments and free products to leave testimonials on their sites. Other businesses pay people to examine the quality and performance of their website. User testing, Try My UI, and Testbirds are some companies you can join. Sixth, join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products, services, or brands on different platforms. Once you're accepted, you'll receive an affiliate link to share with others. When someone buys the product or service, after clicking your link, you'll receive a commission along with credit for the referral. Last one on the list in this video is launching a YouTube channel. If you have a talent or interest that you're passionate about, launching a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn money online. You can create and publish videos on any topic you want, from DIY tutorials to gaming reviews to travel vlogs and everything in between. Once your channel gains enough views and subscribers, you can monetize your videos through advertising revenue, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. But keep in mind that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and dedication. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to consistently publish high-quality content and build a loyal following. But if you're willing to put in the work, launching a YouTube channel can be a fun and rewarding way to make money online. These are just a few of the best ways to make money online for free in 2023. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you can start earning extra cash today. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.